I'm Andy Parkin, Managing Director of the Multi-Award-Winning Speed Screed. I'm here to talk about ready-made screed. Screed is an essential element of many construction projects, levelling the substrate to make it ready for the final floor coverings. When working with sand and cement, there are usually two options. You can either mix it on site or purchase ready-made screed from a local supplier. What is ready-made screed? Ready-made screed, as the name suggests, is mixed before it reaches your site. This method of screed production does not require any further mixing on site. It is normally delivered in tipper trucks directly to site, hence it is highly convenient to buy and use. However, while it may be convenient, there are various considerations to be made when looking at ready-made screed. Here's a look at its advantages and disadvantages. The advantages of ready-made screed are as follows. Ready-made screed offers you a great solution that helps you save time. Not only is the screed mixed beforehand, but also it is transported straight to your project. No time and effort mixing on site. Moreover, ready-made screed is developed and batched to meet various British standards. Those standards are designed to give you peace of mind that the screed is fit for purpose every time, guaranteed. The disadvantages of ready-made screed are as follows. Since you'll be paying for the entire process from the materials to the transportation, ready-made screed is going to cost you more. While the added cost seems appropriate for the convenience you get, there are some other factors that you need to consider too. First of all, ready-made screed offers limited flexibility. By purchasing it, you forgo all control you have on the consistency or specification of the screed you use as you work through the project. Hence, if you want something specific that you feel is applicable for your particular construction site, then ready-made screed may not be the option. Ready-made screed may lead to a lot of wastage since it is transported in large volumes. Once on site, any delays with the project, the screed will go off and render it unusable, thus leading to the need to remove the excess screed. Often there is need to work in bays or particular rooms without a day joint. This again can lead to waste issues. I hope this helps with your ready-made screed questions. Do get in touch for more information.